welcome back to my channel, Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make legume lalo, also known as jute leaf stew. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below and let's get to it. Here are today's ingredients: 3 pounds of beef meat, 3 blue crabs, 1.5 bag dry lalo or jute leaves, 1 pack watercress, 10 ounces of fresh spinach, parsley, thyme, 1 hot pepper, 1 tomato, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, and 1.5 tablespoons of lily butter. In this pot, I'm adding oil and the marinated meat and crabs and let it cook on medium-high heat for 2 minutes. I'm adding 6 cups of water to cook the meat and the lalo. I add 1 tomato, it's optional. I clean and salt the lalo and let it soak for 25 minutes. After that, I wash it 3 times and strain it. Next, I will add the lalo, watercress, spinach, and let it cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour. I put aluminum foil to cover the lalo to prevent it from being tough. I let it cook for 1 hour and 30 minutes. When the water is almost evaporated, I'm adding tomato paste, butter, hot pepper, parsley, thyme, and some sweet pepper. I let it simmer for another 40 minutes on medium-low heat. Voila, this is the final result. Bon appétit! Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below of what Haitian dish I should do next time. Thank you. Bye bye.